I'm gonna remove this panel here, and just use a tool like this. Although someone did say in one of my previous comments that I would break the things if I do this, but someone must have replaced my someone must have replaced the little plastic things on mine, because I've done this many times now and it doesn't break them. So I'm going to gently remove these and then come back to you. See if I can get this one off first, one-handedly. There we go. So it's just lift it out, sugar, lift that out, put them somewhere safe. I'll come back to you afterwards. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 to do. I've removed all the plastic things on this now, so I'm just going to pop this off. It just clips under the front lip there, so that's that unit off. That's that bit of plastic off. So there is an air pipe, an air intake pipe here just behind where the light bulb is. So you need to remove that. So there's a little another little holder, a little plastic trim piece here that just needs to be eased out gently, very gently, and you should be able to get that out, and then you should be able to remove, there we go, and then you should be able to remove the air pipe, and then if you remove the air intake pipe, that'll allow you to get to the bulb a little bit easier. So I'm going to try and get to the bulb now, which is here. It's just see if we can show this a little nicer. It's just here. The ceramic bit there, you see, is the bulb. So probably the easiest way is just you need to just push on the clip there. Let's have a look at that then. That's the light bulb out there. So that is the fixing. That's the tab. That tab has to be pushed down at the same time as the bulb and the clip being pulled apart. Push where this thumb is, lift that tab, blimey, that is well in tight. That's really, really tight. There we go, and that's it separated now. So that's what the two look like. That goes back in there. This is the bulb for 2011 Toyota Corolla Verso for the main headlights, full beam. So it's a HB3 9005 from Halfords. HB3 9005. It is 12 volts, 60 watts. Has these two pins that are sort of spaced far apart in there. Looks like that at the back with a little grey insert. So the full beam headlights, these are the nearest ones to you on both sides, and they go in and out by going in at a slight angle, slight twist. The little lugs locate. There you go, the little lugs locate, and then you twist it down, so clockwise until it's pointing sort of at 90 degrees down, and that's it locked in place there. I'll show you it on the driver's side as well. Again, it's the nearest bulb to you. It goes in at a sort of angle. The lugs locate, and then once you've got the lugs to locate, you twist it down. So I don't know if you can see that there. There you go. So that's now pointing vertically down at 90 degrees, and it's locked in. I lost the one from here. You saw me lose it down the back of the car. I couldn't find it, so I just put a replacement one in. I've got these boxes of, one of them always matches.